In this video, we'll go over some of the ways you can customize the appearance of the public documentation for a collection, including dark and light themes, logos, and SEO. We'll start with an existing collection that has documentation already. I'll click View Complete Collection Documentation, then in the upper right of the workbench, I'll click Publish. For now, I'm publishing the current version of the collection docs without environment variables and under the Postman domain. Today, we're looking at the appearance options. First, you can choose the default layout, either a single column where the docs are on the top half of the page and examples appear on the lower half, or double columns where examples appear alongside the docs. Then you can choose the default theme, light, dark, or you can just choose to match the user's system theme. For these first two appearance settings, you're choosing the default view, but users will have the option to switch between them when they're reading your docs. Let's see what that looks like. At any time, you can click Preview Documentation to check out your docs. In the preview, I can change the layout from single column to double column. And on the far right, I can toggle between light and dark modes with the moon and sun icons. Okay, next you can choose to upload a logo that will appear in the top left corner of your docs. When you upload a logo for the light theme, it'll automatically apply for both themes. But if you want to, you can upload a separate version of the logo to appear in the dark theme. Next, you can use the color options to customize the hex value of the header, code, and highlight colors that appear in both the light and dark themes. You can also optionally enter information in the SEO fields to make your documentation easier to discover. We recommend using less than 60 characters for the title and less than 160 for the description to prevent them from being truncated by search engines. If you leave these fields blank, your collection name will be used as the title, and your documentation markdown will be the description. Finally, if you want to make your collection documentation discoverable on the API network, make sure your collection is in a public workspace. Let's do one last preview of the docs. And we're ready to publish. Let's see how they look.